Hi, it's Jimmy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making 5 skillet desserts that are so easy even I can make them. That's right, we're ditching the fancy cake pans and using just one skillet for all of these delicious recipes. Less cleaning, more eating, am I right? We've got everything from a classic caramel apple buckle to a decadent Buckeye cookie skillet. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for these. And the best part, these desserts are so impressive, your friends and family will think you spent hours in the kitchen. Little will they know it was just you, me, and a trusty skillet. So grab your ingredients, preheat that oven, and let's get baking. Like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. First up, we're diving into a gooey, warm, and delicious chocolate chip skillet cookie. This dessert is perfect for any occasion, but honestly, I could eat it year-round. We're starting by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure your oven is nice and toasty for that perfect golden brown edge. Now grab a large bowl and mix together 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until creamy. We want a creamy and smooth mixture, so take your time. Add 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix well. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Stir in 2 cups of chocolate chips. Spread the dough evenly in a 10-inch cast iron skillet. Make sure it's nice and evenly spread, and pop it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the edges are golden brown and the center is set. While that's baking, let's move on to the next skillet sensation. Next up, we're making a vibrant and tangy strawberry rhubarb crumble. This dessert screams summertime, but honestly, who needs an excuse for a warm, fruity dessert topped with a buttery crumble? Preheat that oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We want it nice and hot for this one. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of sliced strawberries and 2 cups of chopped rhubarb. The tartness of the rhubarb perfectly complements the sweetness of the strawberries, creating a flavor explosion in your mouth. Add 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of flour to the fruit mixture and toss it gently. Now for the crumble topping. In another bowl, mix together 1 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. This crumble is the perfect combination of buttery, sweet, and crunchy. Trust me, you'll want to eat it by the handful. Sprinkle that irresistible crumble topping evenly over the fruit mixture and bake it for about 40 minutes or until the fruit is bubbly and the crumble is golden brown and crispy. For our third skillet sensation, we're going tropical with a classic hummingbird cake. This cake is packed with bananas, pineapple, and pecans. It's like a vacation in every bite. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let's get started. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is the base of our cake, and it's important to make sure everything is well combined. Now, for the tropical twist, add 1 cup of mashed bananas, the riper the better. We're also adding 1 cup of crushed pineapple. Make sure to drain it well, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. To bind everything together, we're adding 2 beaten eggs. Give everything a good mix until it's just combined, then pour the batter into a greased skillet. Spread it out evenly and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Get ready for a taste of the Lone Star State with this incredibly easy and chocolatey Texas sheet cake. It's rich, it's decadent, and it's about to become your new go-to dessert. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grab a saucepan because we're about to make the most amazing chocolate sauce ever. Combine 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder in the saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly. Once it reaches a boil, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of sugar. Next, we'll add 1/2 cup of sour cream. This is what gives the cake its signature tang, and 2 beaten eggs. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and there are no lumps. Pour this irresistible batter into your greased skillet, spread it out evenly, and bake it for 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool completely before frosting, if you can resist. Last but not least, we're ending this skillet dessert extravaganza with a bang. Get ready for the ultimate peanut butter lover's dream, a giant, gooey, chocolate peanut butter Buckeye cookie skillet. No oven needed for this one, folks. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, the smoother the better, 1/2 cup of softened butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cream these ingredients together until they're light and fluffy. Now gradually add 3 cups of powdered sugar to the peanut butter mixture, mixing until a dough forms. This is where things get fun. Get your hands in there and knead it a few times to make sure everything is well combined. Roll the dough into bite-sized balls and place them in the greased skillet. Now, for the chocolate coating. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of shortening in 30-second intervals, stirring until smooth. Dip each peanut butter ball into the melted chocolate, coating it completely, and place it back in the skillet. Pop the skillet in the fridge for about 30 minutes or until the chocolate is set, and get ready to indulge in pure peanut butter bliss. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible skillet desserts that are guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these recipes, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.